Hello everyone, welcome to ArangoDB tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to do the CRUD operation, that is a create, read, update and delete operation on Arango step-by-step process. So we'll go through the installation and we'll just do the CRUD operation. That is we'll create the document, read the document and we'll just update and delete the document from that. So we'll go through the step-by-step process. First, we need the one VM. So I'm running with the VMware workstation. So this is my server one, and my server is running with Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. So we'll go through the step-by-step process. We'll log into the our VM and we'll access this one with the command line. So ssh dpt at the rate 192.168.136.128. This is my server IP. While installing, I have given the IP address, and this is my user. Yeah, it started. So here you can able to see there is a Ubuntu 24.04.3 LTS server is running there. So I'm accessing this server. So password admin at the rate 123. While installing, I have given sudo su. So this is my server. So first, whenever you are starting any project, any installation, first update and upgrade your system. So sudo apt update, sudo apt upgrade minus y. I'm giving the permission yes for that. So we have updated and upgraded. Now we are going to install the prerequisites. So after that, first add the repository key to apt like this. So this is the key I'm going to add this one. So key is added. Now install the uh, just change the source list file. Add this one ArangoDB. So done. Now I'm to update the my system. So sudo apt update. So here you can able to see there is a ArangoDB source added on the source file. So this is completed. So now next I'm going to install the ArangoDB. So the command is sudo apt install -y ArangoDB 3e Enterprise Edition 3 I'm going to install. So enter. So here you can able to see ArangoDB 3 installing now. So total size is 247 MB and this is going to be extracted on here and around 36 second to ETA. So let it complete, then only we will go further. So in previous video, I told you about the ArangoDB. ArangoDB is supporting document database like NoSQL and graph database like Neo4j and memory database like Redis. So combination of three database, this is running with the one engine, that's ArangoDB. So this pop-up is there. Please enter your password for the database root user. So I'm giving admin at the rate 123, admin at the rate 123. So automatically upgrade database file. If you allow, then automatically it will upgrade, or I'm giving a yes, and backup database file before upgrading. No. If you want to take a backup as per your retention policy, you can change it. So installation is completed. Now I'm going to enable the ArangoDB. So sudo systemctl enable enable now and ArangoDB tree. Now check the status. So active and running. You can able to see here. So quit. So this is the installation is done. Now I want to access this one, this server from the browser. So from GUI. So I will allow the port number. So sudo ufw and allow 8529 slash TCP. Okay. ufw, check the status. So this is inactive. Okay, that's not a problem. Each this one firewall is active, then you have to allow this one. So anyway, allow this one, and now I'm going to access this server. So 192.168 168.120 136.129 128 8529. Unable to connect. Okay. So unable to connect means we are not able to access the IP with the port. So I'm going to allow in configuration file arangod.config. Come here and endpoint just change it to 0.0.1. Control X Y restart. So now user is root, password, and select your database. Just logged in. Okay. So we have logged in. Now we have logged in with the UI. Now I'm going to access through the CLI. So this is a Arango SH cell. So Arango SH server endpoint is this IP. Server password is admin@123. So we have logged in. Now simple create the databases. Create database, use database. So done. Now you can change database. So use database means change to system to DemoDB. Okay. Now create a collection. Document collection name is user. So created. You can able to see here. We have a change that we have to change the DB, demo DB, select DB, and collection is user. We don't have any content. Okay, don't have any document. So now we're going to insert two document. So insert it. Now check with this. So document are added there. So this is the insert one. Now read the query document. So this is simple db underscore query and for you in users return you. So both the documents are visible there. Now we want to filter this one with the filter age and other limits. There is a 30, 35 is there. So both the users have age is more than 26. So just like I'll change this one to 31. Just assume that 31. So only Chirag age is more than 31. This is 35. Okay. So where condition is there? Now I'm going to update Sanju Mehta age with 31 instead of 30. Previously it was 30. So this is now 31. So these are the simple query. Upsert. Upsert means that create if not exist. So update is exist. So this name is not exist. Only we have two. There is a two. So Chirag and Sanju. So I am going to insert upsert one. So enter. So added. Okay. So I did this one. Now you can check with the query. All the three will appear here. So 35, 31 and 22 age. So delete and remove. So I'm going to remove when the Sanji one. So done. Now let me check the return. Only two are getting. Means third data is going to delete it. So this one is going to delete it as per the email address. Here you can see filter u is equal to Sanju Mehta and remove u in users. Okay. So delete it. So all are completed. So disclaimer is there. So in this video, we have learned how to do the CRUD operation on ArangoDB. So step by step process I have shown to you with the shell script. Shell means command line, and follow the process shown in the video. Follow me on the YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, and WhatsApp and Telegram, and follow the process exactly shown in the video. So share this YouTube video with your friends and colleagues. Drop your question in YouTube comment box. Subscribe for the free tutorial and learning content. And don't forget to follow, like, share, and comments. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.